Welcome to the PrintAVizion design template demo. Today I will share with you how to set up your artwork for your video brochure or any other video player. We have set this up and highly recommend that you use Adobe Illustrator to set up your design. This is going to be the cleanest print file for you moving forward. If you are using Photoshop or InDesign, you can convert your design to come over into Illustrator. That would be highly recommended. So first I'll start off with sharing some details about the setup here. When you're ready, I recommend that you open up your layers menu, and if you do not see that, just simply go to Windows and then down to layers, and that'll pop up for you. And what you'll see here is a collection of layers that we have provided. You have your artwork layer. This is where you're going to be placing your artwork and your design onto this layer right here. We have the template that we want to keep locked. That needs to stay in one place. Then we have our button configurations. And what we've done for our button configurations is just a reference point. If you like our buttons, great. You can use them. You can change them to the colors you want. You can add titles underneath them. But you have full reign to design your buttons however you like. It's all about your clients and your viewers' navigation and their journey on your video player. So for right now, we have a play pause button. Let's just say I wanted to have multiple videos on my video brochure, but I'm not sure that I want to have chapters. I would go with our play, pause, forward, and back. So you have your forward, back button, and then your play, pause, and then your volume controls right here. So this is for reference. Now, if you wanted to use these, you can simply select them. Let's just say we want to take all these and we want to make them blue. You can go ahead, choose whatever color you want to make those, and now you got yourself some nice blue buttons. If you wanted to add details under here, like play, pause, you've got full control to do so. The final button configuration that we have on your layers menu are the chapter buttons. So we have up to 4 video chapters included. If you need more, let us know. You can customize your player. If you need less, you can go ahead and select, let's just say we're doing 3 videos, we can erase that. Grab your 3 buttons, line those up in the middle right here. Now you have yourself a 3 video button configuration. And here too, you can go ahead, change those to any type of icons, fonts you want, anything like that, colors, full control to change all of this however you like it to be. So let's just say we're doing those blue. We're going to do the volume controls black. And that is how you work with our chapter buttons. Keep in mind, if you want to design your own player buttons, feel free to do that on your artwork layer. Bring in any kind of icons, any kind of buttons that you'd like to implement onto this panel. Okay, so that is your button configuration, and those are right there for you to choose, or just lay your own button configuration out in your artwork. Then we'll move forward to setting up your design work. Again, you want to make sure that you are on your artwork layer. I'm just going to try to fly through this for you real quick and show you an example of setting up your artwork. Again, high resolution, 300 DPI imagery is the best. CMYK color format is what we're printing in. So let's just say this is going to be the cover of our video brochure here. So I'm just going to size this. What you see to the pink lines, those are your bleed lines, meaning that we're going to have a graphic that goes all the way to the edges. So you want to bleed those past the cut marks, and then that way you won't have any weird white lines or cutoffs on your actual design. So let's just say that's my front cover. Now I'm bringing in a vector logo, and we want to go ahead and drop your logo on the front here. Great, boom, we're good to go. Then on the inside left, this is where you can have some supporting information. We recommend whether it be bullet points of your solutions, the benefits to your viewer, anything that is going to support the video that they'll be watching on the right. Some people tend to keep this pretty simplistic, so the focus is on the video. On the back, a lot of people use that for your contact information. You can also have your call to action wherever you like on your inside left or back cover. And then you have some room over here on your video side as well, whether that's adding a call to action, maybe a nice positive quote up top here. Really have full control of everything around the screen And then also on your spines, if you wanted to add a little title of what this video player is, or a little logo icon, you can also put any kind of designs onto that. Once you're ready to save your print ready file, we recommend that you outline all your fonts. So select all. I only have a couple fonts on here. Go to type and then create outlines. This will keep your text from changing out. Then from there, go to File, Save As, and you can go ahead and use our start of our extension, or you can just do PAV, so we know it's a PrintAVision video player, and then you can put project name dash print. Really, however you want to name this, just so we can keep it organized, and then hit save. And then you're going to want to go to high quality print and save PDF. So that will go ahead and get us a nice print ready file for us to use to go into production. For reference, you also have instructions up here. They may be located in different places on your template for review. Keep in mind that the blue lines, these are going to be your fold lines and your cut lines. So bleeding your artwork to the pink is recommended, and then making sure that your artwork is to that exact line, and that's where that print will stop. Lines over here, you will see this is the depth of the video screen right here. So this will be part of the video screen side of your artwork. So you can also have design on that there as well. If you are using Photoshop, what we recommend doing is building your panels separately so you can place them onto this in Illustrator. So you would build those out in Photoshop. You can save those out as PSDs and then place those PSDs onto the panels that you'd like. And then anytime that you go back into your Photoshop document, make an edit, it'll automatically, when you come back to your Illustrator file, it'll ask you to update that file. So that's a great way to bring things in from Photoshop into Illustrator. Here in Illustrator, we highly recommend all your text be used and created in Illustrator to get the finest quality print outcome. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We are here to make this process as easy as possible. And if you need any help with design, we got amazing award-winning designers on staff. Thank you so much and look forward to receiving your files.